We've been using the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone in our house here for the past 3 months, and it has become something that I would say that we definitely depend on at this point to go out and do its job every single evening to keep our house floors clean. Between crumbs in the kitchen and water spots in the bathroom and sticky spills here and there and just general track-in of dust, the X12 is something that we now rely on to handle those things while we're sleeping. At this point, I'm not even consistently checking its work. I send it out, let it clean, and feel confident that it will handle the messes that we make as regular human beings. Don't judge. So after 3 months of regular use, here's what's worked well for us and why I'm really happy to have chosen this as one of my primary robot vacs and mops. One of the features that I was most interested in when I first started testing out the X12 was the FocusJet stain removal system. Most robot mops do fine with light dust and footprints, but sticky or particularly dried on stains can be a lot harder. Some robots simply scrub over them repeatedly or spin the residue across a large area. That has not been my experience with the X12. Kitchens also usually have the toughest messes, including greasy items and sticky or tacky dried on food items. The FocusJet does the trick. Instead of immediately running the mop over a dry stain, the X12 first vacuums up loose debris, then 2 high-pressure nozzles spray the stain in a 3-second cross pattern using up to 45,000 pascals of water pressure. The spray helps soften and break down the mess before the OZMO ROLLER 3.0 reaches it. Over the past few months, I've used it on coffee drips, sauce, food residue, shoe marks, and the normal grime that comes into our house, especially our kitchen. Now, on our wood-like tile floors that have a little bit of texture and grout lines, residue can often settle into the surface. Even with the texture, the X12 has produced very good results. I've actually watched it remove stains in a single pass that I expected would require another cleaning cycle, which is often the case with a lot of robot vacuums and mops. There's also an area cleaning mode that can test a selected zone of up to approximately 4 square meters. It sprays the area as it moves and then returns to mop it, which is very useful when I have one concentrated mess instead of needing to clean the entire kitchen. The other major part of this system is that the roller is continuously washed with fresh water while the robot is cleaning. The 27 centimeter OZMO ROLLER 3.0 uses a 32-way pressurized spray system. That means that it's not dragging the dirty mop pad from one side of the room to the other, or worse, into another room. This has become one of my favorite parts of using the X12. The floor feels consistently clean throughout the entire run, rather than looking at the beginning portion and thinking that looks great, but by the end it's a little tacky. After 3 months, I've reached the point where I can send it into the kitchen after cooking and trust it will take care of the cleanup without following behind it with a mop. The X12 uses TruEdge 3.0, which allows the roller to extend up to 1.5 centimeters beyond the side of the robot itself. As it follows a cabinet or baseboard, the roller moves outward to clean closer to the edge. A structured light edge sensor helps the robot maintain that position without repeatedly bumping into the wall or glass shower door for that matter. I still do an occasional deep cleaning by hand, but I'm not seeing the same visible dust lines along the edges that I've actually experienced in older models and units. I've also noticed it doing a very good job moving around the vanity, which is raised, but there are other obstacles in the area, and the toilet while covering most of the accessible bathroom floor. Before the X12 can mop properly, it also needs to remove crumbs, dust, hair, and dry debris on the floor. The blast system uses a straight-through airflow design with approximately 22,000 pascals of maximum suction. ECOVACS focus on both suction and the amount of air moving through the robot helps debris travel through the intake instead of collecting around the brush area. The ZeroTangle 4.0 system uses an anti-tangle side brush and an airflow directed main brush to guide hair into the suction path. I still inspect the brush, but over 3 months, I have not spent much time cutting any wrapped hair out of the brush itself. The last thing I want to do is babysit the robot that's supposed to be doing the work for us. The X12 uses AIVI 3D 4.0 obstacle avoidance to navigate around regular household items like furniture legs and stuff that you might have just left on the floor or dog toys. I don't completely clear every single room before starting a cleaning run. There are usually normal items around, and the robot has been very reliable in working around my procrastination to put things away. TruePath's adaptive 4-wheel drive climbing helps it cross even bigger thresholds. So homes with a combination of carpet and hard flooring, the mop roller can also lift by 15 millimeters, which is a lot. The robot can vacuum carpets first while the roller is dry, then return to mop the hard floors after. That helps keep moisture off of the carpet and rugs and reduces the chance of carrying dirt between those two surfaces. The OmniCyclone station is another big reason that I like the X12, and it has made my job a lot easier to live with. It uses a bagless cyclone dust collection system, so there are no disposable bags that I need to replace or worry about ordering. The station also separates clean and dirty water, washes the roller with fresh water, and then even dries it using 63 degrees Celsius hot air. That drying cycle helps prevent the wet roller from sitting in the station and just developing that nasty odor. ECOVACS also offers the X12 Pro Omni. The main difference is that the X12 OmniCyclone uses the reusable bagless system, while the X12 Pro Omni uses a traditional disposable dust bag. Some people may prefer the sealed convenience of a bag, but I like not having to purchase replacement bags all the time or constantly checking the bag to see if it's full.
So every morning, one thing I do is I come and I make sure that the dirty water tank is empty and rinsed out. I don't let that go a day, even though there's more room. It's just a habit. Every morning I empty that. And then I also make sure that the clean water is filled, but this usually will last me 2 to 3 days based on the area that I'm having it mop. So that's not bad there. And then inside of here, once a week, I just make sure that the cleaning solutions are full. This here, I don't have to empty very often. I'm in the habit of just emptying it every week. So on Saturdays, I empty this out once a week. So that's really nice capacity in there. And that's really about it. So my main daily routine is the dirty water. And then every few days, I fill up the clean water and then just empty this out once a week. Pretty simple.
There's a few more features I want to hit on here very quickly. For longer cleaning sessions, the X12 uses Power Boost fast charging. While it is at the station washing the roller, it can recover up to 13% battery power in approximately 3 minutes, which is really kind of crazy if you think about it. The adaptive charging system eliminates how much power is needed based on the cleaning area and selected mode, allowing the robot to add enough charge to continue instead of always waiting for the battery to be completely full before finishing its task. ECOVACS lists support for more than 1,000 square meters of continuous charging coverage under its specified settings. The ECOVACS app lets me select individual room, vacuuming strength, mopping patterns, and even schedule out my cleaning when I want it to work. Most of the time, I use room-specific cleaning. I can send it directly into the kitchen after cooking or without running the entire house, and then just let it do its normal cycle each day. The Agent Yoki voice assistant also lets me say, "Hi Eco, clean the kitchen."
Okay, Eco.
I'm here.
Start quick mapping.
Got it. Start mapping now.
Without ever pulling up the app on my phone. So that's my experience now after 3 months. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone is something that has stayed in our house and continues to work. The combination of FocusJet and the OZMO ROLLER 3.0 are the big differentiators for me. Spraying sticky stains before scrubbing helps remove them instead of just spreading them around your floor to hopefully get them on another cleaning cycle. TruEdge 3.0 keeps the area along my cabinets and baseboards cleaner, while Blast Airflow and ZeroTangle 4.0 handle the daily crumbs, dust, and hair for me. More than anything, the X12 has earned my trust. I depend on it to handle the daily messes, and I've reached the point where I can just send it out for a cleaning run and know that it's gonna come back clean every time. Now I'm gonna include links for both the X12 OmniCyclone and the X12 Pro Omni in the description so you can compare the two station designs and check the current pricing. There's even some really great promotions going on right now you do not wanna miss. What gives your robot vacuum the most trouble? Sticky kitchen stains, pet hair, or debris along edges? Let me know down in the comments and I'll see you guys on the next one.